Hi, what is misrepresentation? I'm Aldric Toyad, a real estate negotiator with RGroup Sdn Bhd, doing business as Remax Malaysia. My RAN number is 32167. Misrepresentation is a legal term about which means statements that are made by a person who believes that a statement is true at the time, only to discover later it is false or wrong. Right? Now, when it comes to misrepresentation, it's usually because there are quite a number of ambiguity revolving or involving the transaction. So it could cover things like financing matters, because there's no guarantee that a certain bank will finance the property transaction. So it may, at the time, the potential buyer is convinced because they could get the property loan within, say, 2 weeks, only to discover later that the loan did not approve, but things have been signed. So that is a form of misrepresentation, a potential misrepresentation. However, misleading is a different case altogether. Misleading can be construed as a crime to a certain degree. What's the difference? Well, when it comes to mislead, basically whoever is misleading the other party or parties knows that the statement is false, knows that it is wrong, yet continues to say that it's true anyways. Why? We don't know, and I wouldn't want to speculate. Right? So these are two distinct terms that many property buyers, property sellers will face: misrepresentation and misleading. Though professionally, through due diligence on all parties, especially by the professionals, the chances of misrepresentation are reduced drastically. As I said, due diligence is key in ensuring that there is clarity. Misrepresentation happens often than not because of ambiguity, not knowing certainty, not understanding changes, not managing the potential changes. For example, one landlord that I know initially wants to rent out their home fully furnished, but upon discussion, after the potential tenants have left, the landlord was saying, I would like to bring back one of the settee and probably that TV because it's quite new. Now, at the material time of the viewing, the landlord wasn't sure. So what's important is during the course of that transaction, the agent involved, i.e. me, communicate to the tenant, the potential tenant, or their agent that, look, this is going to happen. Will it affect the likelihood of your client or the tenant to move in? Right? So misrepresentation can be addressed during the transaction. Now, misleading, however, is when, let's take back that example, I assert that everything is all in, after the landlord has communicated to me that they would like to take back a few items, right? So it's not entirely completely furnished, but it's not complete as well. It's not partially furnished, it's not complete, right? So the best way to do this, as I said, is due diligence and ensuring clarity. During the ding-dong or the communication between the two parties, it has to be stated up front until agreement is signed. Misleading can lead to civil action or criminal action against the party making it, because basically it's a criminal lie. Right. So if you have any questions regarding topics under real estate, feel free to get in touch with me. Please like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section down below. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time watching this. Bye.